Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we will make our new model, that is suspension component. As you see here, again we will show you how to use this sweep tool command, and we will show you how to extrude this by using datum planes like reference geometry in our Solidworks software that we have made. So let's move to start. Click here new, select part, solid, and here untick this use default template like this. Now click OK. Now here it says that choose your units. So we will choose MMNS part solid, that is millimeter Newton second, and click OK. A new window has appeared here. I will select here all the planes, axis and point in this. Now go to your sketch, select your front plane, select your front plane, sketch, normal to profile, go to your circle tool command and make from origin point. Press here scroll button. Now make this as radius, so select this, left click and then right click. Make this convert to radius. Make here 134 mm radii. OK. Now go to line command. Divide this circle here from its center point and press your middle mouse button. Use your delete segment. Delete all this portion and press middle mouse button. And click OK. Our geometry is finished. So select here sweep tool command. Select this geometry and the starting point will be from this here. If you want to change, you can change it by clicking on this arrow so that you can change your start point. And now go to here create or edit sweep section that I have shown you here. Left click on this. It will move to this new window. Now choose your circle command. Make here the circle from this point where we have started. Make here 2 circles and press middle mouse button one time. Now here make inner circle as 80 mm diameter. And bigger one will be 108. OK, 108 diameter. And here click OK. It creates one solid body like this. And click OK. Now here you can see hollow section also created here by choosing 80 mm diameter ID circle, that is inner diameter. Hide this geometry. Now again select this front plane, sketch, go to your project, select this line and this arc, outward arc, and close it. Now we have to make here one center line, so select this center line in datums and make here from midpoint. Press middle mouse button and click here arc. Select here arc, 3-point arc. Select this point up to this and press again mouse button. Here make it radius as 4 mm, red eye, this little one. Now go to here editing section, select this delete segment and delete the extra arc that we don't want. Press the middle mouse button. As you see here, our section has come, our geometry is now fully closed. So click OK and go to revolve tool command. As you see here, our model is created here like this. Now click OK. Now again we have to do it here like this. So this time I will choose here, select this revolve from model tree, go to mirror and select here right plane. Click OK. Yeah. It saves the time so that we will make it easily here like this. Now we have to make one upper section here also. So select here datum plane. I will choose here top plane and make here 197 mm height. Okay. Now go to extrude tool command, select this plane that we have created. Again go to circle tool command, make here one circle and press middle mouse button. Now here diameter will be 84 mm. And here the distance will be 124 mm distance. Okay. And click OK. This shows first time upward, so we will make it downward by clicking on this arrow. We don't want here, we want only this surface only. So I will choose here end condition like this, scroll down and here choose up to next, up to surface, up to surface you have to select this outer body and click OK. Now we have to create one hole here, so select this face, extrude, go to here reference, select this arc and close. Click here circle. Press here middle mouse button. Make here diameter as 44 mm. Go to here normal now. Select this point and this. Make here reference dimension. Click OK. Now here change the dimension, change the direction of this hole by clicking on this. Automatically it will select the remove material here like this. So you can see here preview. Now click OK. Now we will create here one fillet. So go here round tool command and radius will be 10 mm. Enter. Select this edge and click OK. Now we have make here all this portion. We have to make this section here also. So I will choose here all this section by pressing Ctrl button. Click here mirror. I will choose here right plane and click OK. Yeah. Now this section also created here like so. Deselect all and I will give here some appearances here. So go to render tool command manager. Select here appearances underscroll and I will choose here one color. So go to here appearance project manager. Or I think I will go here more appearances. Go select here paint. If you want to choose any color, you can make it here as per your wish. If you want to change the background, you can also change it by pressing here customize quick access toolbar. Go to here menu more commands and select here system colors. Go to graphics and here select background. I will choose this. As you see here, our background has changed and I have applied here this color. So if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel so that we will make new projects for you. Thanks for watching it.